What's up guys, my name is Skaransk. User refuses to admit she locked herself out while fumbling her password in front of me multiple times and questioned security. Most of the time my job isn't this frustrating, but every now and then we get a good fassapima. I was working a tier 2 remote support role at the time and this ticket was escalated to me because of the company the customer works for and how agitated they were. This is normally tier 1 territory, but they escalated it to appease them. A senior engineer was supposed to take it, but they were put on something else, so I was asked to look in. Basic ticket notes to begin from. Email not working. Keeps asking for password. For this post we'll call me, and the user Gail. Just seems to fit. I call Gail and ask for a little more information. I already know that they have Exchange through a cloud provider, LDAP enabled to their domain controller. She's about as helpful on the phone as the line she put in the ticket. So I ask to remote in so I can see what's going on. It's the standard Windows prompt for Exchange credentials through Outlook. I ask her to enter her password. Incorrect. Me, ma'am, did you change your Windows password recently? Gail, no. Me, alright, well let's try that again. Go ahead and enter it one more time. She does. Incorrect. Me, okay, well, the fastest way to remedy this would be for me to hop on and change your password. Just give me a moment please. Log into domain controller. AD. Locate user. User's account is locked out. Me, ma'am, it says here your account is locked out, so let me fix that for you. No idea how she got into Windows still. Gail, my account is not locked out. I don't know why that would happen. How does that happen? Me, alright, well we are gonna take care of this, no worries. Per account lockout, it almost always is because of too many incorrect password attempts. Trying to sound like I'm not accusing her of not knowing her password nicely. I see it happen with our medical clients all the time. They share computers and frequently someone will not realize that they are trying to log into someone else's account with their password and lock them out. It's not a big deal. Gail, I'm the only one who uses this computer. Me, okay, no worries, let's take care of this. Unlocks account, changes to temporary password with the box. Checked for her to change it on next login. Me, good to go. I've made sure the account is unlocked. Let's enter this temporary password so you can reset it. We just need to log out of your profile and back in. Gail, you mean my Outlook? Me, no ma'am, I'll just drive for a moment. I log her out and back in. Type in the temporary password and ask her to put in the new password. She successfully changes it. We get back into the machine and it's time to sign into Outlook with the new password. Me, ma'am, if you could put that new password right here. Clicks remember option, sets cursor over password field, please. She enters the new password. Incorrect. Me, we must have mistyped that. Let's try it again. Incorrect. Me, you're typing in the password that we just created, correct? Gail, yes, I don't know why it's doing this. Me, alright, let's test a couple of things. Let's log out and then back in. I do this for her. Ask her to put her new password in the Windows login screen. Authentication fails. We try again and again. This woman quickly enters the password incorrectly 3 times in a row and locks herself out again right in front of me. Me, ma'am, it looks as if we may be putting the wrong password in. Gail, no, I'm definitely typing it right. I'm not sure why it's doing this. Me, okay, no problem. Let's do this again. Cleared credential manager on her profile just for good measure. Reset password on DC again. Typed in temporary password for her. Reset comes up. Me, okay, let's try that password again. If it helps you can click over that little eyeball and it will show you what you've typed, just so you can double check. Gail, snorts at me. We get back in, try to log into the Windows/Outlook box again. She types it in. Incorrect. Me, Gail, are you absolutely certain that's the password you entered a moment ago? Gail, yes. I even wrote it down. At this point I had to mute myself for a second and fassapim. I know there's nothing big going on here, but her stupidity has me questioning my own sanity, so I settle for a little experiment. Me, okay, allow me to try something. 2 minutes please. I log into the DC, reset the password, this time without the option to reset. I log her out, log back in using the password I just made, logged into Outlook successfully. Me, okay, so I know there's nothing wrong with the account now. Let's change that again, so that you'll be good to go. In fact, I can actually change it from here, to be exactly what you want, so that we don't have to do the whole logout/log back in thing if you wish. Gail, no, what's the point of me making a password, if you know it? Mute face palm. Me, in my head, are you drunk? If I wanted access to your account I can clearly do it very easily as I have just reset your password 3 times, and logged into your account in front of you. Dumbus. Resets password for a 3rd time. Me, eye roll. Fair enough, I appreciate your security awareness, then let's log out, and log back in, you know. We do this. Enter temporary password. She resets her password. This time I ask her to write it down before she enters in on the PC. We get in. She types it into the Outlook prompt. Good to go. Gail, I just don't understand why it does that to me. I'm typing it in right. What's wrong with the computer? Me, I honestly don't know ma'am. Sometimes they do wonky things. But you're in now, and you're good to go. Thank you for your patience, and have a great day. Click. TL. Doctor, user somehow gets into their domain account, and couldn't sign into the Outlook password prompt. I reset the password 3 times, and verified the account was functioning fine. Meanwhile she told me it was insecure to give me the password to manually set, and then typed the password she just created wrong in front of me several times, and then blamed it on the computer. OMG guys, this story was effing best good. This was posted by u/listefan Hawking. The automatic problem solver. I was working late again, because some things are better done at a later hour, where you can enjoy some peace and quiet. No, not what you think. Maintenance of course. But, as is tradition in stories like this, the phone rings. I don't recognize the internal number, but since I'm quite possible the last person working in the department, I pick up. Could be important, right? Right. Oh, it department. OH speak. C. Irate sounding male voice. Oh, finally, I'm able to reach someone. I've been waiting for 5 hours and nobody has been at my office to fix the problem, or has even contacted me. I have urgent work to finish and nobody from it contacted me. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Can you please tell me your user ID, so I can look up the necessary details? C. Why do you need that? Don't you already see the problem? Oh, no, why would I see anything about a problem? C. You asterisk ARE from the id department, aren't you? Oh, yes, I am. C. Then you should see the problem. If you are really from the id department then you should definitely see the problem. Oh, I'm really sorry, but I really have no idea what you are talking about. What problem? C. Heavy sigh. The problem. The problem. Here, on my computer. The problem. Oh, but please tell me your name and user ID, so I can verify your identity. C. Heavy sigh. I'm Mr. Doe and my user ID is CTO1234. Oh, clickety clack. Okay, Mr. Doe from Faculty's I, and now please describe your problem. C. Can't you see the problem? You should already know about the problem. And nobody contacted me for 5 hours, and I was waiting here. Oh, sorry, but as I already said, I have unfortunately no idea what your problem is. Well, I have a hunch, but I have not the necessary medical degree to solve it. C. The error. Here, on my computer. There is an error and I expected the id department to contact me to solve the problem. Oh, what kind of error? Do you have an error message? Can you describe what you did when the error occurred? C. Can't you see the error? It's here on my PC. There. C. Oh, no, I can't see the error or the problem on your PC from here. You need to tell me. C. Why? Why can't you see the error? Here, it is on my PC. Oh, I get that is on your screen, but I cannot see your screen. Intermission. Only a small subset of desktop PCs are directly managed by the id department and have a screen sharing tool pre-installed which can be activated by a user, but never from the supporting admin, unless nobody is logged in during a support call. Most other PCs are more bad style where each faculty buys and manages their own. Those usually don't have any screen sharing software installed. Most users don't even want this out of privacy concerns. See why. Oh, why? I just can't. See why. Oh, why would I want to see your screen? Why do you think I can see your screen? See, because of the error. Here, on my PC. I waited for 5 hours and nobody contacted me. Oh, did you report the error to the department? See, why should I? Oh, so that we know about the error. See, doesn't this happen automatically? Oh, no. See, why not? Oh, why should it? How should it? See, then how do you know about errors? Oh, the users report them when they happen. How else? See, this is unusual. The system always automatically reports errors. I never had to call myself. Oh, which system? My confusion must have been tangible at that point. See, the PC. Here, it has a problem. Oh, no, computers don't do that. Normally, if you have a problem, you can send a mail to support@uni.versity or in an emergency, call our support hotline. See, oh, right. Now, what kind of error do you see at the moment? See, you really can't see the problem on my PC here. If he says the problem again, I'm going to use the RSP on him. Oh, I will. Oh, no, I can't. You have to read the error message to me and describe the steps you took to get to the error. See, heavy sigh. Okay, I was writing my report and inserted some images and then clicked on the file menu and on save as and typed in the file name and then the problem happened. Argl. Oh, yeah? And the message? See, a new window appeared with a round red X and it says error. File name already exists. Oh, there is already a file with the name you selected. You have to choose a different one to save your document. See, but it is an error. Here, on my PC. I waited for 5 hours and nobody contacted me. Internal sobbing. Oh, but this message is really benign. Just click OK and choose a different name. See, but when an error occurs, I have to wait for it to solve it. Oh, no, this is a normal problem which can happen quite easily. Just click OK and type in a different file name and you should be good to go. See, are you sure? Can't you come over here and solve the problem? Oh, nearly choking. No, that will not be possible. You just have to click on OK and select a different file name. Please, try it. See, if you insist. But this is highly unusual. It normally solves all problems. Right. World hunger and cancer is next on my list, right after this call. Oh, please, I know it will work. See, okay, I clicked OK. Are you sure? Oh, firm yes. See, I typed in a new name. Should I click OK again? Oh, yes, please do. See, the window went away. Oh, of course, it saved the file under the new name. The new name should also be visible in the window title. See, yes, it does. But why wasn't the error automatically reported? I waited 5 hours for someone to contact me. Oh, with growing despair I can't really say. Please send an email to support@uni.versity so my colleagues can look into the matter. See, I see. Good evening. Click. Oh, just staring at the receiver in my hand for 5 minutes before hanging up. I then made sure to get the heck out of the office before he calls again. I wouldn't have mentally survived another call like this evening. OMG guys, this story was goody best. This was posted by u/owen_owen. Thanks for watching guys, you are effing awesome.